So similar to turning this drone on, one of the things I ran into is how do you charge it when the instruction manual that came with it really doesn't match what I have. So I'm going to show you real simple as to how to charge this Blackhawk 3 battery. In the box that comes with it, you're going to find this device. Okay, and along with that, you'll also find this USB cable. This one is USB on one end and USB-C on the other. And when you first look at it, you look and look, there's a little slot I can plug into, but no adapter. And that is true. No adapter came with to plug into that hole. So I felt, well, I'm missing something. And I contacted their customer support, said I can buy that adapter, though I couldn't find it anywhere. So I decided I'm going to try and figure out how to do this, and it actually is quite simple. We just need to plug this USB cable into a device that has about 5 volts output. So first I'm going to plug the charger onto this end of the battery. Then I'm going to plug the other end of the USB cable into this just power strip that had a 5 volt output USB charger. I'm going to show you what the battery is going to do when it is properly connected. You'll notice they begin flashing. Notice how 2 of them are staying lit, or almost 2 of them staying fully lit. This indicates that though it's halfway charged, and then when it gets to the 3rd one, it means it's 3/4 way charged, and then it'll get to the 4th. And then it'll shut itself off. Now, one thing that's important to note, if you hook it up to one that doesn't have enough voltage, then it'll flash like this a couple of times and never actually charge the battery and shut off. So again, it needs to be a charger that has a higher output. So like hooking it up to your computer generally isn't going to give you enough output, but most of us have cell phone chargers that we can plug this into that'll be enough to charge the battery.